Grade 4, English 4, Velcro, an amazing invention. One day, a Swiss inventor named George de Mestral was walking in the woods. Later, he saw that many burrs had stuck to his wool pants. He wondered why they were hard to pull off. He looked at the burrs under a microscope and saw that each burr was made up of tiny hooks. These hooks were sticking to the loops in the fabric of his wool pants. The man decided that this was a good way to make things stick together. He took this idea to a textile designer in France. Together, they invented a kind of locking tape fabric that fastened together using a system of hooks and loops. But they did not know what to call it. Hook and loop? Locking tape? It didn't seem quite right. At last, they decided to call this great invention Velcro. Vel comes from the word velours, the French word for velvet, and cro comes from croquet, the French word for hook. Today, Velcro is used everywhere, and many companies make it. But the word Velcro is a brand name and belongs to the company started by George de Mestral. You probably have a strip of hooks and a strip of loops to fasten your jacket or your running shoes. But is your clothing made with real Velcro or someone else's imitation?